Okay, if you're into DIY projects, model building, 3D printing, or detailed crafting, this is one of the best tools that you can find. This is the HOTO SNAPBLOQ Mini Rotary tool. It's going to save you a lot of time, because what immediately stood out to me is it feels like you're holding a pen rather than a bulky power tool. Now, because this is so lightweight and compact, it's much easier to control when you're working on small details, sanding edges, engraving, polishing, or cleaning up 3D prints. The brushless motor is another big plus. It runs surprisingly smooth and quiet, while still giving you plenty of power for precision work. Now, I also like that you can use it cordless for quick projects or plug it in with a USB-C if you're working on something longer and don't want to think about battery life. The variable speed settings are nice too, because not every project needs maximum power, so you can slow it down for delicate work or speed it up when you need more material removal. So after charging it up, you can try it out like this, and you can see that it starts to spin. Or if we want to change up the setting, we can go a bit faster as well. Unlike a lot of rotary toolkits that include a bunch of random accessories you'll never touch, this one comes with a curated set of bits for sanding, engraving, polishing, carving, and micro drilling. The storage system is actually pretty clever too. Everything stays organized, so you're not digging through a drawer trying to find the right attachment. And if you work with models, miniatures, resin prints, jewelry, or general DIY projects, this is definitely worth checking out, especially if you want precision and control in a compact package. I highly recommend grabbing this HOTO Mini Rotary Kit.